It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Wednesday, October 29th. I'm James Spann. Rain moving through this morning in advance of a cold front. And over the weekend, perhaps the first freeze of the season. Let's go in there and take a look. Big trough moving through the eastern United States, supporting the front. And we have a band of showers and storms along that front. That was the radar this morning at 5:05. At that point, the rain was pushing into Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, and Gadsden. Some thunder and lightning involved, but no severe weather. And already the rain is diminishing back over the northwestern part of the state, and that rain should be out of here by midday today. Temperatures at daybreak are in the 60s for the most part around here, but it's cooler behind the front. Huntsville's down to 57, Memphis down to 54, but the really cool air gets in here this weekend. Around the nation, 20s and 30s. Across the Rockies and much of the Great Plains, it's looking more and more like the cold weather season. No severe weather today with the front, just some thunder, nothing beyond that. This is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Monday morning, and all of this will be this morning. And the amount should be under 1/2 inch for most spots around here before the rain ends. And off of the tropics, watching that little disturbance that is northeast of the Leeward Islands. Seems to be an increase in convection there, but there's no organized center. There's a bit of shearing involved, and if anything does form out there, this moves north and northeast. No threat to the United States. All right, model fans, this is the GFS, the OZ run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time at 500 millibars. There's the eastern trough. And again, down below that, the front passing through. Let's check the high-resolution HRRR. This is this morning at 10 o'clock, and already at that point, the band of showers south of Interstate 20 on the way out of here. So the rain will not last long. The sky should be clear this afternoon. We might touch 70 briefly this morning, but we'll be in the 60s this afternoon as the cooler air moves in. Tomorrow, pretty chilly start to the day. We'll expect a low down in the low to mid-40s. The high should be in the upper 60s. The sky brilliantly sunny. Friday, Halloween, we stay dry, and north winds begin to kick in. That pressure gradient tightens up during the day. Maybe north winds of 12 to 25 miles an hour by afternoon, going to be kind of blustery for the trick-or-treaters, turning sharply colder. The high will be in the mid-60s on Friday, but will drop off very quickly Friday night. And the latest guidance is printing lows down around freezing by Saturday morning. So you'll need to bundle up for the high school football games Friday night. Boy, look at Saturday. Very, very vigorous wave coming off the Atlantic coast, helping to pull down the colder air. There is a surface low underneath that thing near the mouth of Chesapeake Bay, bringing the possibility of maybe the first snowflakes of the season to maybe even the Great Smokies around Gatlinburg, up through West Virginia, Snowshoe Mountain, and then ultimately maybe up into parts of the northeast United States later in the weekend. But for us, Saturday will be a windy, sunny, cold day. I say cold is cold for the season. For the 1st of November, the latest guidance printing out highs only in the 50s. In fact, parts of the Tennessee Valley up in extreme North Alabama could stay in the 40s all day Saturday. And then Sunday, the wind goes calm. The bottom will drop out. We'll expect a low near the freezing mark. Colder pockets go in the 20s. And easily the coldest air we've seen so far this season. And for many places, this weekend will wrap up the 2014 growing season. Here's a look at the numbers coming off the ensemble. And it's got Birmingham down to 30 both Saturday and Sunday morning. A high Saturday of only 51 and a high Sunday of 57. Those numbers might be a smidgen low, but they're pretty close. Then we start to warm up a little bit next week. This is Monday. Highs go back in the 60s, and then Tuesday we should be close to 70. Rain west of the state, and this is a week from today, Wednesday, November 5th. There's this big upper low that's over Mexico, and this run holds the rain west of the state. Other runs have tried to push a good batch of rain in here Wednesday, but this run says no, it's going to stay west of the state. And then this is Thursday of next week, and it's still got the rain west of the state. So this is suggesting not much rain at all. We'll just have to wait and see. Confidence in any specific solution is pretty low at this point. Here's the end of the forecast, November 13th. Big troughing over the middle of the nation and a big rain event Storm event looking likely there for Arkansas, Louisiana, some of the adjacent states. That might bring us a good rain at mid-month, if indeed this just happens to verify. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. Notes in the blog. Next video, if we have time, later today, I've got a live shot down at the BJCC for Disney on Ice. One way or the other, we'll have notes in the blog this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News on the TV side or the live stream at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.